know, there's a lot of numbers on the side of a tire, and sometimes it can be really confusing. So let's try to decipher it. If it starts with a P, that's a passenger car tire. If it starts with an LT, that's a truck tire, light truck. Now this is a 215/50Z R17, okay? The 215 means the tread width is 215 millimeters wide. When you look at the 50, that means the aspect ratio, or the tire height to width ratio, is 50%. Now this has a Z, it's a Z speed rated tire. It's a high speed, high performance tire, it's a really nice tire. And the R17 means it's a 17-inch wheel. So that once you understand the numbers, it should be easy to figure it all out. All this is available online. Any good tire store can help you out. Make sure you check it out and get the right tire for your car.